The rising flame. In the aftermath of World War II, Kurdistan stood at a historic crossroads. The Iranian state was weakened, foreign armies still occupied the land, and the Kurdish people, long denied their rights, felt the pulse of freedom rising in their veins. Among the people of Mehabade, one figure emerged as both guide and symbol: Qazi Muhammad, a respected religious scholar and wise leader. He carried the hopes of a nation upon his shoulders. His voice was calm, yet firm, his presence dignified, and his words stirred courage in the hearts of his people. Around him gathered the Peshmerga warriors, defenders of the homeland, dressed in authentic Kurdish clothing, colorful shalu shapik, wide belts tied firmly, and turbans wrapped proudly. They carried their old rifles with honor. Their eyes shone with determination. Above them, the flag of Kurdistan, red, white, green, with a golden sun waved defiantly. It was not just cloth. It was the embodiment of a dream stretching across centuries. The people of Mehabade filled the markets and squares, whispering of independence. Songs of freedom echoed in the cold winter air. For the first time in generations, hope had a name: Mehabade.